Hey people, welcome back. Today's video is about Inbox version 4.8.0 iCloud activation removal tool. Does it work or is it just another scam? One of our subscribers asked us about it just a few days back, which is when we decided to dig deep into it and see if we can help in providing the reliable information they are seeking for. Without much ado, let's get to know what is Inbox version 4.8.0. Basically, Inbox 4.8.0 is a Windows OS based tool that claims to bypass iCloud activation lock screen. But what sounds alarming is that this tool doesn't have an official website. So if in case anything happens with your device while using this, you will have to bear it alone. You can't even file a lawsuit against anyone. Now since there is no official website to get this tool downloaded from, you may wonder if you can download it from any other third-party websites or blogs. Well, you surely can look out for it, but this will make you even more vulnerable. Now that we know there is no such working tool with proven results, your chances of being scammed with a bogus tool rises to the highest possible level. What's more, we were unable to find any of the user reviews in favor of this tool. And apparently, this Inbox version 4.8.0 is nothing but just another scam. But don't lose hope. We do understand that you are in need of a trusted and recommended iCloud activation removal tool, which is why we would like to introduce you to an ultimate tool, Altphone Activation Unlocker. This tool can effortlessly remove iCloud activation lock, and that too without the need of old iCloud account or password. Here's how it works. Download the tool from official website or from the link available in the description. Install it and launch it over. Now click on Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, read and accept the disclaimer, connect your device to the PC. After your device is recognized, it will start downloading the jailbreak tool automatically. Once done, connect a blank USB drive to the PC and select it. Click Start to burn the jailbreak tool in the flash drive. After the completion, the step-by-step instructions will be displayed on your screen. Next, you need to boot your PC using the flash drive and perform the jailbreak. For that, click on Restart your computer option and confirm it. Once your computer restarts, hit the F12 key several times to enter the boot menu. Select the USB storage device and click Enter to proceed. Now you will enter Jailbreak Wizard. Go to Options and select Allow Untested iOS and skip all BPR check options and go back. Click the Start button and you will be asked to put your device into recovery mode. Hit Next and the wizard will automatically put your device in recovery mode. Now follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into DFU mode. Once your iPhone enters DFU mode, the jailbreaking process will start. And within a short time, the jailbreak process will complete. Ensure to keep your device connected and boot your PC back into Windows. Launch Altphone Activation Unlocker and opt for Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, accept the disclaimer, let the tool detect your device, and push the Start button. And that's it. You have successfully bypassed Hello Screen or iCloud Activation Lock screen, and that too without the need of Apple ID or password. You can now set up your device per usual. Once your device is up, sign into a new Apple ID using the App Store and enjoy the limitless access to apps and options that were restricted by Apple before. We do hope that this video must have helped you. If so, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like, comment and share.